Hey, my name is B, and in this video we are going to talk about NEEWER's camera ball head. This is the box that you get. The first thing you get is the paperwork, and when you open it, it's a straightforward, it's the ball head. You open it, you take it out, there's nothing else in it. The ball head is all metal. The top has a rubber, so it will protect your camera. It has 3 screws, one at the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. The bottom one, it would be for tilting 360 degrees. The second one, it would be for releasing the ball head, so it will move around. The third one, it would be the releasing quick release. It's at the top, it's rubber, and the screws will move around, so it will give you more freedom of movement, so your camera will move around. The quick release itself will move around as well. And let's try it on a gorilla pot that we have here. You screw it on a gorilla pot, it will fit. And the third one, as I said, it's 360 degrees, moves around completely. The second one will release the ball head, and the third one, it will release the quick release. And if you want, I'll put a camera on it as well, so you can see. Here's what you note: if you put it on, you have to put it on horizontal, otherwise the screw for quick release, it will go at the side of the camera and it will not be easy to access. When you put it on, it's easy. The quick release button gonna be at the back of it, so it will be easy, and you can see if your camera is straight or not. Yeah, so overall it's sturdy, it's all metal, it's not that expensive, it's budgetable, and I recommend it.